Hey guys, this is Geoff, and today we're making char-grilled lobster. Char-grilled lobster. Let's go! We've been a little bit absent, haven't we, Yazzo?
We have.
And whose fault is that? I'm blaming Yaz, because every time I ask to do a video, it's too much trouble, and it really sucks doing it on my own. And so life's kind of taken over. But we're back, and we've got a cracker recipe today. In fact, we posted this on Facebook on a few groups last week, and suffice to say, it was the most commented on post I've ever done. So I thought, well, let's have a crack. So we have here two lovely lobster tails. Lovely. So what we need to do first is I like to remove the finny bits with some scissors. So we just need to trim those off like that.
I've lost my wit.
Your wit?
Yeah. Like I feel like I have nothing.
Well, I was gonna call them flappy bits, but I thought it would be a little bit.
We can't go back there.
A little bit too obvious. So I'll just crack on and remove all of these. All right. Until it looks like that, basically. And so what we need to do from here is spread the tail fin out just like that. And
why?
Well, I'll show you in a minute. And we get our knife very sharp, and what we want to do is cut from just inside that tail fin. So just here, and go down, and bang, straight through. And just check it for any bits of shell that might have cracked on the journey. That's pretty much okay. And then what we can do is just spread that guy out like that. But I'm gonna have to cut a little bit further in. Just probably there. And then that will sit on the grill, just like that. Excellent. So we'll just quickly do the next one, and I'll show you what's next, because you've already seen it once, you don't need to see it.
We'll do the next one, and then we'll show you what's next.
Oh no, the next. What? Doesn't matter. It's fine. Cool. And the second one, just in and down. And then again, just like that. So all we need to do is just a little drizzle of olive oil over the top. Just like that. Just rub that in. A sprinkle of salt. Just a little. And some cracked pepper. And that's about it. I've got some butter, room temperature butter here that I've mixed with some parsley, salt, pepper, and a couple of cloves of garlic, and some dill, little bit of dill. So we're gonna melt that and baste it over the top. What the fuck are you smiling at?
Your nipples are erect.
Stop it!
Well, you do it to me.
Where was I now?
Something about some garlic. Dill. You put
and
dill.
some dill. We put some dill in here. I'll put the ingredients in the description anyway. But we're going to baste this over the top, and then we're going to also use it as a sauce to drizzle over the top when we're done,
Holy moly.
or dunk it in. Kamado's coming up to temperature. 200 degrees Celsius is where we're at. We're going to grill them for about 4 minutes on the flesh side, and just for a guide for when you're doing them, these are about just over an inch thick. So the time will depend upon absolutely how thick yours are, but we're going to do 4 minutes on the flesh side, and it'll probably end up being about 7 or 8 minutes on the shell side. So we'll just wait for the Kamado to come up to temperature, and then we'll get these out on the grill, and then we feast. Ooh, lovely. Kamado's up to temp. Let's get these babies on. So that's nice and hot, and we just want to go flesh side down for, as I said, about 3 minutes. 3 minutes, let's give them a turn. So what we're going to do is take these now and put them onto the indirect side. I'll just pop them up on top. You can see I've got the deflector down here to stop the direct heat from the coals. Kind of want that to sit nicely like that. And then we'll sit nicely, please. There we go. And we'll give them a little baste with some lovely garlic butter. And we're looking for an internal temperature of about 57 to 58 degrees Celsius. So I think we're at about 45 at the moment. So we should be probably about another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes? So it should be probably about another 2 to 3 minutes, I would think. Let's see. We're done. Let's get these guys off. Get on there.
Look at little love hearts.
Oh, they're so pretty. So we'll get these inside and cut them up. I can't wait to dive in.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let's have a go at this. So what you want to do is work your fingers in under here and just grab the meat, and basically that just pulls out like that. I'll just set these aside for a bit. Oh, yum. Just check for shell. There's a little bit of shell on that one. There we go. And we'll just cut it into little yummy bite-sized chunks. Get your fingers out of it. And a little bit of this stuff over the top. Oh, yazzo.
Oh, wow.
And then
What a treat.
and then you should probably, we need to do that obligatory tasting. So we'll just dab and cheers. That's pretty good. I know a lot of people that I've spoken to about it are a little bit, kind of scared. Well, not scared, but afraid to give it a go because they're not cheap. Let's be honest. But I think you can see it. It's pretty easy. Get your thermometer. Make sure you test them, and for doneness. And as I said, it's about 4 minutes on the flesh side, and somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how thick they are, on the other side at 200 degrees Celsius, and you will end up with something as amazing as this. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. For those of you who care, we're sorry that we've been absent a little bit. Well, at least I am. I don't know about the Yazzo. I think, are we back now? Are we good to do some more videos? Or yeah? Anyway, we'll see how we go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.